ensuring that it is all locked in. I'll be putting the upper chamber on top of the lower chamber. There we go. I need to keep it tilted for... There we go. I need to keep it tilted for the vapor pressure to happen. That vapor pressure, or we keep it tilted or we keep it in this position because we want as much air as possible to come in contact with our water. And when that happens, temperature increases and vapor pressure happens. So once the constant bubbles are appearing, we can now start locking our upper chamber to the lower flow. So we need higher temperature for the pressure differential to be possible, and that pressure again is in the form of those constant bubbles. Siphon is both an art and a science. Art because of its theatrical look, and science because of the vapor pressure that we call that happens upon flowing. That vapor pressure, as you are witnessing right now, pushes the water upwards, and once the heat is removed, it vacuums down the water entirely. There we go. Now that we have enough water, we can now start brewing our coffee. But first, I'll adjust the temperature of this. So we don't want to burn our coffee because of the temperature. We'll adjust the temperature from the highest temperature to the medium temperature. I'll start my timer for 90 seconds. So for the first 45 seconds, I need to ensure that the coffee grounds are properly folded. Folded meaning we need to ensure that the coffee grounds are all wet for its proper immersion to have a proper extraction. We're waiting for the first 45-second mark before we finally stir it, before we yield ignition. The 45 seconds, I can now start it stirring for 4 times. We don't overstir it for more than 4 times because we don't want to agitate our coffee. Meaning, the more you stir it, the different outcome it gives you. We're just waiting for another 45 seconds before we finally turn off the bean heater and finally stir it for 4 last time. As a coffee master, as a barista, I feel delighted every time I brew my cup of coffee using the Siphon because it showcases that demonstration of coffee art and science, that coffee artistry and science. And as a coffee master, I feel challenged every time I brew this because it requires meticulous attention. Now that we have reached the other 45 seconds, we can now start turning off the bean heater and finally stirring it for 4 last times. 1, now you can see how it vacuums down from the upper chamber to the lower. Have you tried going to other stations? So the coffee that we have prepared for you today is the Roca. It's one of the coffees that Starbucks offers, and this coffee came from Latin America. So later on, I'll explain more. Okay, are you ready? Exploring the world of coffee. Now we recommend our participants or our customers not to take a sip immediately because since the coffee has undergone that intensive heat, it might burn your tongue. So let it cool down for a minute or 2 before we finally consume. So So what makes Siphon more theatrical is because of the halogen lamp that we're using. It's the beam heater that we're using. It does not come in contact with fire, so the temperature is much consistent using the halogen lamp.